Concert Help channel. Today, we'll be taking a look at the Express user interface. To do so, you will first have to be made into an Express user. If you would like to review this process as either a project member or a project manager, follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the screen or in the video description down below. If your permissions are already in order, select the project wherein you are an Express user, and here you will find the Express user interface. As an Express user, you will not be able to create or modify systems, scenarios, and so on, nor will you be able to import assets. As an Express user, you are still able to deploy and remote access into a virtual host. To do so, select Deploy, enter your credentials, and set up a shutdown policy. From here, you will have the option to remote access into this virtual machine, or to undeploy the virtual machine. And that is the Express user interface. If you would like to learn more, feel free to check out the other video tutorials on this channel. Alternatively, you can visit the Concert Help site, which features articles which cover these topics in greater depth. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Concert.